Should I call an HVAC technician if my breaker keeps tripping? Yes. Call an HVAC technician if the breaker trips when your heating or cooling system runs, but stop resetting it repeatedly and call an electrician if the problem may involve the home's wiring or electrical panel. A tripping breaker is a safety switch that shuts off power when it detects too much electricity or a dangerous electrical problem. If the breaker trips only when the air conditioner, furnace, or heat pump starts, the equipment may have a damaged wire, a failing motor, a clogged filter, or a part that is working too hard. A dirty filter can restrict airflow and make the system overheat, although it is not the only possible cause. An HVAC technician can test the system, check the starting parts, inspect wiring, and measure the electrical load safely. A lesser-known cause is a weak capacitor, which helps a motor start and can make the breaker trip exactly when the system turns on. Turn the system off, check that the air filter is clean, and reset the breaker only once after the equipment has been off for several minutes. If it trips again, leave it off because repeated resets can damage equipment or create a fire risk. If the breaker trips even when the HVAC system is not running, feels hot, smells burned, makes buzzing sounds, or will not stay on, contact a licensed electrician promptly. One common mistake is repeatedly flipping the breaker back on, so leave it off after the second trip and arrange service. Another misconception is assuming the breaker itself is always bad, so have a professional test the HVAC system, breaker, and wiring before replacing anything. Also, never use a larger breaker to stop the tripping, because the wiring may overheat before the breaker provides protection. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.